Hello friends, today we are going to talk about floats in Python. It's not a float that we use in swimming pool, but it's decimal numbers. So we call decimal numbers as float in Python. So floats are, I already told you that floats are used to represent numbers which are not integers. So some examples are decimal numbers. We can put it like 0. Let's say 5 or maybe 9. So this is an example of floats. Okay, so they can be created directly by entering some sort of number, or they can be done using the operations. You didn't understand? I would tell you. So for example, if we divide 3 with 4, result we get is a float. But if we enter 0.9, so the answer is again is float. Okay, so this is what I meant. So I want to tell you one more thing on this note, that computers cannot store perfectly accurately the numbers in the same way that we cannot. Okay, you didn't understand? Let me tell you. If we divide 1 with 3, so you see 1 with 3, then you see the result is only till much, but we can go much further. Okay, so this is what I meant. So because it keeps many major bugs, it creates many major bugs, so this was must be informed. Okay, so as you saw that dividing any two integers produces a float, but a float can also be produced by running any operation on an integer and a float. That means we can multiply 0.9 with, let's say, 8. It's here. Okay, why is not my shift key working? Okay, so now you see the result is again in float. In similar way, we can create floats in the output by creating operations on a float and on an integer. Okay, and float can be added to an integer. You can understand it simply if you have learned about decimals, that we can add, subtract, multiply, divide any integer with any other integer, or in the similar way we can add, divide, multiply, subtract, anything we can do with decimal numbers we can do with floats. So friends, this was enough for this video. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and keep watching. Thank you.